everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you are searching for a property near Clark Freeport Zone, Koreatown, Clark International Airport, you have to see this property. This is a modern luxury home located in one of the exclusive and secure subdivisions in Angeles City. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. And let's start dahil sa intro ko, sinabi ko yung location. I'll tell you more about the location. First, ang madalas hinahanap, this is a flood-free community. So, ang subdivision po nito, hindi po bumabaha. And this is close to Clark Freeport Zone, Koreatown, and Clark International Airport. A 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport. Exclusive din yung subdivision, secure subdivision, may mga guards, and nagro-roam din sila. Your lot area is 165 square meters and your floor area is 280 square meters. Sa tapat or sa harap, you can see your facade. Very modern ang design natin. Luxurious because of our lights. Actually, isa yan sa mga highlights, yung mga architectural lighting natin. Very nice kasi napapakita niya yung shape and your architectural structure ng ating property. Sa tapat din, you have a simple landscaping. You can add more plants if you want to. Elevated din po ang ating property, even though, yes, I mentioned that this is flood-free. But alam mo naman yun, mas madami kasing nagagawang design kapag elevated yung property natin. Pagpasok mo, you have a wide porch. Going to your right, you have plant box dito. You can add more pots, you can add more plants, or you can add a coffee table for breakfast. Diba? Ganda. And pwede din itong play area ng inyong mga bata or a corner for your fur babies. Bago tayo pumasok, I'll show you your two-car carport. This is covered. And meron ka, I love that. Gustong-gusto ko pag yung properties merong reflective clear glass windows because that helps kapag sa init ng araw, hindi dire-diretso sa loob, nagba-bounce back lang yan. Kaya it helps with nagko-cool down yung sa loob yung property natin. I mentioned a fully covered parking for two. And this side naman, this portion goes to your laundry area, dirty kitchen, and your maid's room. Napapakita natin later. Sisilipin natin sila. Kaso may mga gamit pa. Nakita mo naman, may gamit pa. But pwede na natin silang makita. Your door, smart lock, card, password, I think voice command din pwede. Fingerprint. Massive door, makita mo naman, I'm 5'5". So, ayan po yung door natin. Napaka-laki. And then, what I like about it, pivot siya. Yung pivot yung dito siya, hindi siya yung hinges dito. Kasi pag pivot siya, mas malawak. Pwede siyang paharap or pwede siyang palikod yung bukas natin. So, mas madali para magpasok ng mga furnitures or mga iba pang gamit. Pagpasok natin, diba? Oh, ayan. So, nice. And pagpasok mo, hindi masikip. Diba? Pwede ka pa nga mag-add dito ng anything. Console or yung mga nabibili sa IKEA na mga IKEA baka naman yung mga pull out na mga for your shoes, 'di ba? Pwede diyan. All right. I love your living area because of the high ceiling and makikita mo that even the furniture talagang sinadya siya for this portion, for this corner. Meron ka ring space dito. Wow, ang laki naman itong space dito. Pwede akong pumasok, kaso walang ilaw eh. Pero this is storage. So pag halimbawa, meron kang mga gamit na malalaking boxes, pwede mo ditong ipasok. Kasi di ba problem yun minsan, hindi mo alam saan mo ilalagay. Tapos nagiging storage na isang room. Kasya sila dito, ganun siya kalaki. Few steps, but hindi tayo cluttered or hindi tayo masikip here. You have your dining area. So this is Nara, solid Nara yan, na nilagyan nila ng accent. Kung mapapansin nyo yung mga ibang properties na na-feature natin, same builder sila. If you see, you'll notice the accents, yung mga trademarks nila or yung mga designs nila pare-pareho. Yan. Same po yung builder natin dyan. Or yung builder po ng property na ito. Very nice. Dining area, dining set for 8. You have 8 chairs na matchy-matchy po dito sa ating stools, dito sa ating breakfast nook. You have a wide window. And ito ang iyong formal kitchen. Dito lahat-lahat na nakikita nyo, kasama po ang mga yan. Alam mo, hindi ko na-check to kanina. Because we were so busy sa labas. But these are push release. Yes, push release tayo. Wala kayong makikitang handle kasi push release lang sila. Pakialam merong kapitbahay, papasok lang, nangangalkal pa. Very nice. Modern din yung sink mo. Your preparation area, you have white quartz countertop. Sparkling white quartz countertop. Yung splashboard mo, madaling linisan. Your modular cabinets. Ganda ng iyong range hood and cooktop. You have your microwave. The ref is included. Tapos ang luwang, oh. Diba? Habang nagpe-prepare ka, hindi ka mahihirapan kasi maluwang pa rin siya. You have space here pa when you get things dito. And sa ground floor, you have your full bath because you also have your first bedroom. Your guest room, bedroom. So this is your bedroom. I think this is a double bed. Okay, ayaw ko lang pakita yung side na yun kasi may mga gamit dun sa cabinet natin. But this is your room. And ito yung iyong, smart ang iyong toilet. Taran! Ayun! O, diba? Kinabahan ako. Ayan. This is your shower area. Very spacious ang shower area mo. Tempered glass partition. Floor-to-ceiling tiles. And maganda rin yung mga tiles natin. The color, the materials, maganda. Piano type, stainless steel shower set. Very nice ang yung sink. It's a slope type sink. And you have your mirror. Yung dito, mabilis lang tayo kasi may mga gamit pa. But, doon, nandyan ang iyong, you have tank there. Here, this is your laundry area, your service area, and you have your maid's room na meron ding toilet and bath. So, hindi na natin masyado i-focus kasi may mga gamit pa po sila doon. Akyat na tayo kasi lahat ng mga rooms natin na natitira nasa second floor na. Let's go! And before tayo umakyat, I'll show you your wide window. Look at that. Kung gusto mong i-block out yan, sara mo yung curtain. Kung ayaw mo naman for your natural light, gusto ko yung part na to kasi kita mo lahat dito. Kita ko yung dining, kita ko yung kitchen, your living area. And also, look at your wide window. It helps with natural light. So, kung ayaw mo naman ng may natural light, sara mo lang yung curtain mo. Kung gusto mo naman na pumasok yung natural light, there you have your sheer curtain. Included na rin yan. And look at this LED strip. Pag ganon. It shows yung height ng ceiling natin. Diba? Very intentional yung mga lights natin, yung mga accents natin. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi kahit saan ka pumunta, meron kang aabangan dito sa bahay na to. Pag akit natin, even your wall, tignan mo naman yan. Meron kang accent wall, may groove lines ka. Hindi lang siya plain painted. There's always a material that serves as an accent for aesthetic and para mas cozy yung feel natin dito sa ating property. Let's strip again. And let's go dito sa ating first bedroom. This is your bedroom 1 on your second floor. Of course, you have your cabinet, your bed. At dito, you have a study area or your vanity area. Depende sa gusto mong gamit niya. And ito yung, kung naalala nyo to, kung napanood nyo yung iba nating house tour, ito yung ating cabinet that you can dim, adjust the light according to your liking, and kita mo yung damit sa loob. Right? You also have symmetrical hanging drawers na merong socket. Very helpful kasi pag when you're charging your phone, dyan na lang, hindi mo na ilalagay doon. You have your TV console here. Mount your TV here or pwede mong ipatong doon. Siyempre, meron ka rin ensuite toilet and bath. Your ensuite toilet and bath, of course, your sink, shower area, tempered glass partition, toilet, and of course, yung bidet natin. Bedroom 1, now again, let's go to bedroom 2. Lahat ng rooms natin with ensuite toilet and bath, kaya, ay, ang luwang, oh. Diba? Pagpasok mo, may space ka pa. Then your vanity area or your study area. Same, you have your very pretty cabinet. Your bed, dito, maluwang pa. Kita niyo ba, maluwang? O, lalakad tayo dito. Tapos your TV mo dito, maluwang din dito. Ang ganda ng sizes ng mga beds, no? Yung second floor nila, finocus nila sa mga bedrooms nila. Kaya ang ganda ng mga measurement ng mga bedrooms, hindi masikip. Marami ka pang pwedeng ilagay. Meron din siyang ensuite toilet and bath. Same design. I think even the tiles pareho. So you have your slope type lavatory sink, your toilet, and of course your shower area. May niche ka dyan. For the ceiling tiles yan, you have pin lights. Let's go sa ating master's bedroom, which is actually pagpasok mo, unang bedroom siya to your left. And your master's bedroom is a loft type bedroom. So this is your lower corner or your lower part ng yung loft type bedroom. Lalagyan niya ng bed, hindi pa lang nailagay. Pero lahat ng rooms natin may mga beds tayo. Spacious, vanity area where our workstation, pwede rin. Study area, monitor, and tignan mo ang luwang. Sobrang luwang, no? Bago tayo pumasok doon, pakita ko na yung loft natin. Pwede kang maglagay ng, you have so many options dito. Pwedeng sa taas ka matulog. Pwedeng sa taas gagawin mong storage. Pwedeng sa taas gagawin mong reading corner, coffee corner, library. Pwedeng sa taas gagawin mong game room. Pwedeng sa taas gagawin mong closet kung kulang pa yung walk-in closet mo. So ito yung upper loft mo. You can customize it depending sa need mo. Pag akyat mo, akala mo wala lang, pero maluwang siya. If you want to see, let's go. And here you go. Diba? Hindi nga siya nakakalula eh. Tapos kita mo sa ilalim. Kung gusto mo na dito ka sa taas, matutulog, tapos sa baba, dun yung office mo. Like if you're working, gusto mo ng privacy, pwede. For your information, my height is 5'5", so you have a vision kung gaano kataas yung ceiling niya. May mga socket na rin tayo dito at mga ilaw, kaya pwede kang maglagay ng mga electric fan or, computers dito sa side na to. Pasok na tayo. Ang luwang oh. Kasya pa nga yung isang bed eh, kung may sasara mo to. But, nandito yung walk-in closet. Pagpasok mo, meron kang cabinet dito. Tignan mo naman yan. Oh. Marami ka nang mailalagay dyan. At dito, meron ka pa nito. Kasya ako dito. Tignan mo, gano'n siya kalaki. O, diba? Ang laki niya. In this one. Yung napakagandang cabinet. Gustong-gusto ko to. Effect na effect sa akin tong mga ilaw na to ng cabinets. And vanity mirror or vanity area. Tapos dito mo ilagay yung mga blow dryer, iron. Dito sa side na to, makeup. May drawer ka dyan. And this is your master's bathroom. Enclosed shower area. Sakto ang taas. Stainless steel shower set. You have your toilet. And of course, meron tayong bathtub. And as you can see, yung bathtub, hindi siya pinilit. Kasama talaga siya sa plano. So, yung measurement niya, hindi masikip yung bathroom natin. Alright. What else? Oh, I'll show you the balcony. Dahil your master's bedroom, meron kang balcony. Nakita niyo ba na ang dilim-dilim pag nasa loob because of door? I think this is double panel. Pag ganun kasi, yung init, hindi basta-basta pumapasok. So, look ha. Pag sinara mo yan, madilim, akala mo gabi na. Pag pinuksan mo, maliwanag pa. And there. Tapos ang ganda niya kasi reflective clear glass window siya. So, even yung init talaga, hindi talaga siya papasok. Tapos pwede ka pa mag-picture dito. Hindi ako nag-picture dito. Ba't nag-picture ako dito kanina? Ganito kaluwang. From dyan. Gusto nyo palit tayo para makita nila. And here. Ito yung accent kanina sa labas na nakikita mo. Yung LED strip. Kita niya yung taas, yung structure. So makita niya yung shape and your architectural design natin sa labas. Lalo na pag gabi, pag madilim na, kita mo pa rin yung bahay. This one too. Ganda dahil black tapos light. Ganda ng color combination natin. I think that's it. See you on the ground floor for our recap. And we're back for our recap. This is a modern luxury home that is near Clark Freeport Zone, Koreatown, and Clark International Airport. That is just a 15-minute drive to Clark International Airport. So if you are looking for a property in this location, check this property. Just give us a message and let us know. Highlights ng property natin. Yes, the community, the location, flood-free community, the architectural design ng ganda, fully furnished. So pagpunta mo, meron ka ng mga gamit so you don't have to worry thinking about interior design because very maganda na po ang ating interior aesthetic and the details po natin, hindi naman siya mahirap bagayan. So if you want to add more, pwede ka pa rin naman magdagdag. One of the things that I love about then is yung ating bedroom sa ground floor because that means na pwede ka nang tumanda sa property, diba? Hindi ka na pwedeng, kung hindi mo na kayang umakyat, meron ka ng bedroom sa ground floor. I love about the bedrooms then, very spacious. Yung second floor natin, lahat ng space doon na-concentrate sa measurement ng ating mga bedrooms. Kaya lahat sila with ensuite toilet and bath. Lahat ng nakita nyo during this house tour, lahat po ng mga nandito, these are all included. Kaya if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, our TikTok, BP Pampanga, and meron na rin kaming website, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-book na, for sure kasi nakita niyo na to sa mga reels natin, so meron na nakapag-clipping sa inyo. Pero kung hindi pa to sold, ngayong pinapanood nyo, book your trippings na. You can also book your trippings sa akin. Follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, Instagram account, Enalalu. And also, we have our different messaging platforms din sa description. We have WhatsApp, Viber, emails, nandiyan din yung aming mga contact details. Kaya kung interested ka, message ka na. Thank you so much again for being with us. Sa mga subscribers po namin, maraming salamat. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house